Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna go to Monkeybox and we're gonna see who can build the best pickaxe and sword. I'm here with my little bro. Say hi, little bro.
Hello.
Oh, let's go. Let's go to Monkeybox. Oh. I tried making a sword and pickaxe before, but then they oh wait, they added something new, guys. Coming soon. You can't come in here. Lost and found. Coming soon.
Come on, let's go.
Well, I think it's gonna be a whole one, but who cares? We will check it out when it comes out. But now it's for this. Don't mind this. It's for this. So now let's start.
Whoa, can I
First,
destroy it?
No, you cannot destroy it. Leave it there.
What is it? Can we
Okay,
play
so
it?
come. Yeah. We can play after. Okay, I'll put the thing right here, and okay, hold on. I'll put it like this. Ready? Start. It starts now. First, ready? Make a sword. Let's make a sword. Make a sword. Make a sword.
Hey, stop driving though.
I made my sword. This is my sword, guys. I'm gonna place it right here. This is my territory. Actually, right here. Now I gotta make. Nah, I'll put it over here. Now I gotta make the sword. I mean, not sword. Well, you know what I mean. I know you know. I have to make the pickaxe. Pretty sure for pickaxe, I'm gonna use one. I'm just gonna see, cause we don't know. We don't know if we're gonna work. If it wants us to work, I'll just put a 2 on it. So now, if I go over here, grab this. Macy, you done it? You done it here? I showed them. This is his sword, guys.
Now time for the pickaxe.
Yep, pickaxe. Oh, this is kind of weird, but actually, hold on. Nah. I gotta add this. Yeah, I'll put it like this.
Hey.
Alright. This is 6x6. Oh, okay. Shh. Okay, so now I think we should just nah. This is so hard because you don't know what to do on this. Yo, actually, this actually look kind of good, guys. Yo, bro. Does this look a little bit? Does this look kind of good?
It's mid.
Mid. Alright. Okay, bro. Well, I'm saying this is actually my best pickaxe I ever did. Actually, this actually looks way better.
It doesn't let me place it down.
Yeah, this is my pickaxe, guys. I'll put it right in the middle. Okay. This is my pickup. Nah, hold on. I'm trying to go save it now. Scan through. Okay. Well, guys, I'm pretty sure we can't decide because we're both gonna be like, all is better. So in the comments, one of you guys will say whatever is best. So if you guys say it's mine's the best, say one is the best. If you say two's the best, say two's the best in the comments. So and this is my pickaxe. Oh, actually, you can actually mine like this. Ready, guys? Ready? Pow, 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 pow.
Yeah.
And then I got my sword.
Here's
So on the
my pickaxe and my sword.
So yeah, in the comments, say what was the best. Mine's 1 and his is 2. Well, thank you guys for the video, guys, and that's about it for the video. And I hope you guys like what we liked. I mean, what we made, cause this took only a little bit. It's actually surprising. It only took this long to do. Well, thank you, and bye, guys.